Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade tomato soup. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, 1 medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 cups of broth, and a half cup of heavy cream. A pinch of sugar, salt, and pepper will perfect the taste. This recipe is designed for ease and maximum flavor, ensuring a comforting meal in under 30 minutes. Now that we have our ingredients, let's build the flavor base. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped medium onion and sauté it gently for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes translucent and sweet. Next, stir in 2 minced garlic cloves, cooking for just 1 minute until you can smell their wonderful aroma. This step is crucial for developing a rich, deep flavor in your soup. With our aromatics ready, it's time to add the stars of the show. Pour in your 2 pounds of chopped tomatoes and 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the tomatoes to soften completely. Once simmered, use an immersion blender to puree the soup directly in the pot until it reaches your desired smooth consistency. Almost there. For that luxurious, creamy finish, stir in a half cup of heavy cream. This adds a wonderful richness and smooth texture to your soup. Now, it's time to season it perfectly. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of black pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the acidity of the tomatoes. Taste and adjust as needed. Serve your homemade tomato soup hot, perhaps with a swirl of fresh basil or a classic grilled cheese sandwich. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.